Kung matagal mo nang gusto mag-lose ng fat pero laging napupush back, this video is for you. Alam ko yung cycle na lagi kang busy sa work, sa business, sa family na wala ka ng panahon para sa sarili mo. Tapos sa diet, malamang nasubukan mo na mag-no rice, OMAD, keto at kung ano-ano pa ang mga diet. Ang ending, nagre-rebound lang and bumabalik lang sa dati. You get frustrated kasi parang kahit anong gawin mo, wala kang nakikitang progress and you keep on starting again and again. Take Mark for example. He works in a hospital and since the pandemic, hirap siyang makabalik sa fitness routine niya because of his 12-hour shifts. Ang pinaka naging challenge niya is nutrition. Hirap siyang mag-control lagi ng food. Pero when he joined the 8-week shred challenge, natutunan niya how to track his calories and hit his macros. Hindi siya gutom, hindi rin siya deprived. Step by step, he built discipline sa pagkain niya and over the course of 8 weeks, he lost 12 kilos and returned to his normal BMI. More importantly, bumalik yung sense of control niya over his health. So you might ask, paano niya nagawa to? That is the structure of the 8-week shred challenge. Nandun yung program mo, a structured training plan that is tailored to your fitness level. Kung beginner ka, you start with the basics. Pa-perform and gradual progression. Kung may experience ka na, mas challenging because progressive overload na yung focus natin. The workouts aren't everyday pero they're designed to maximize results in 3 to 5 sessions per week. Pero ang pinaka-core ng challenge natin is nutrition. Walang strict na meal plan na kailangan sundan. Instead, you'll learn how to track your calories, count your macros, and learn to enjoy the foods you love while still losing fat. Rice? Pwede. Weekend eats? Pwedeng-pwede. The goal is not to take away food but to teach you how to manage it para may freedom ka without losing progress. Every week, magkakaroon ka ng feedback from a coach para makita mo kung nasan ka na in terms of your weight, your workouts, your nutrition, and your overall progress. Malalaman mo kung ano yung mga dapat i-improve and kung ano yung mga ginagawa mong tama. And that's the accountability that gives you results. And it's not just Mark. Jai works in the medical field and sobrang hirap ng schedule pero he managed to lose 12 kilos in 8 weeks. Zia naman thought lifting would make her bulky. Pero after the challenge, she toned her core and looked leaner than ever. Si Jert, busy din with work, 3 to 4 times a week lang nakakapag-workout pero he still managed to lose 10 kilos. Si Charles naman, still ate rice and enjoyed weekends out pero 6.5 kilos yung nalose niya. Lahat sila nagkaroon ng transformation not just in their physique but in their confidence and mindset as well. And may additional tools pa to make your journey easier. You'll have a challenge leaderboard to see how consistent you are compared to others. If may smartwatch ka, pwede mong isync para mas accurate yung activity tracking. Meron ding sleep tracker kasi recovery is as important as training. And of course, sa community access, a group of fellow challengers supporting each other, sharing the same journey. But here's the thing. The program works if you work. The system, support, and structure are already provided if all you need to do is show up. This is called a challenge for a reason. Syempre, it's supposed to stretch you, test your consistency, and push you to commit. And there's a cash prize of 20,000 pesos for the best transformation. But the real prize is what you'll build along the way. New habits, confidence, and a physique that you'll be proud of for sure. So think about it. Ilang beses mo na ba sinabi sa sarili mo na mag-start ka next Monday, next month, next year? The 8-week shred challenge is your sign to stop delaying and start making real progress. Tap or click the button below to join and I'll see you in the challenge.